our vision extends beyond Bengaluru, we are committed to making Karnataka a model state in sustainable development. Our focus on electric mobility, environmentally sustainable infrastructure, and innovative urban planning will ensure that our cities remain livable and desirable places for both residents and businesses. With the continued support of our citizens, I am confident that we will achieve a drastic reduction in road fatalities year by year, aiming for a 50% reduction by 2030. I am certain that the discussions and ideas shared at this convention will further strengthen our resolve to make our roads safer. Together we can create a future where road accidents are a thing of the past and every journey is a safe one. Let us continue this vital work together, united in our efforts and driven by our shared responsibility. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸರ್. ಬಹಳ ಅರ್ಥಪೂರ್ಣವಾದ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಸ್ಪೋಕನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ರಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಟ್ ದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್
ಅಜಯ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅಜಯ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಬಿಡೋಣ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬರೋಣ ಕೇಬಲ್ ಮಾರ